Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check a bad oxygen sensor. You should start by visually inspecting the sensor for any obvious signs of damage or loose connections. Look for frayed wires, cracks, or excessive carbon buildup on the sensor tip. A physical check often reveals clear issues, saving time on further diagnostics. This initial step is vital for a quick assessment of your engine's health. Next, utilize an OBD-ROMAN2 scan tool to retrieve any stored diagnostic trouble codes. Codes such as P0133 or P0171 directly point to oxygen sensor issues. Additionally, observe the live data stream for voltage fluctuations. A healthy sensor should oscillate between 0.1 and 0.9 volts. Erratic or flatline readings indicate a problem, helping you pinpoint the exact fault. For a more precise check, use a digital multimeter to measure the oxygen sensor's voltage output directly. First, ensure the engine is fully warmed to its operating temperature. Then, back-probe the signal wire, typically the black wire, and observe the voltage. A functional sensor will show rapid fluctuations between approximately 0.1 and 0.9 volts. If the voltage remains constant or flat, the sensor is likely failing, requiring replacement soon. It is also crucial to test the heater circuit within the oxygen sensor, as it helps the sensor reach operating temperature quickly. Disconnect the sensor's electrical connector and set your multimeter to the ohm setting. Measure the resistance across the two heater wires. A reading between 3 and 20 ohms is typically good. Infinite resistance or zero resistance suggests an open or shorted circuit, which means the heater element is bad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.